Meaning of gunman.
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 Gunman. The word gunman typically refers to a person who carries and uses a gun, especially in an illegal or criminal context. This term often implies violence and danger, as it is commonly associated with shootings, robberies, and other illegal activities. In recent years, the use of firearms has been a hot-button issue in many countries, leading to debates about gun control and calls for stricter regulations. While some may view the term gunman as heroic or righteous in certain contexts, its connotation remains largely negative and ominous for most people.